After an impressive voter turnout in the first phase of the West Bengal Assembly elections, Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Friday projected a strong performance for the BJP, claiming the party is set to win over 110 of the seats that went to polls. Speaking at a press conference in Kolkata, Shah expressed confidence that the BJP is heading towards a decisive victory in the constituencies that voted in Phase 1. Based on the feedback we have received, the people of Bengal have already made up their minds in the first phase. The state has chosen development under the leadership of Narendra Modi. The high voter turnout clearly indicates that Didi is on her way out and the BJP is set to form the government. Out of 152 seats, we expect to win more than 110, which will ensure an absolute majority after the second phase, Shah said. The first phase recorded a remarkable voter turnout of around 92.35% by late Thursday night. This is the highest turnout for these constituencies since at least the 2011 Assembly elections, considering the 2008 delimitation and the availability of detailed polling data in recent years. With nearly 3.6 crore eligible voters in this phase, the turnout translates to approximately 3.32 crore votes cast, the highest absolute participation recorded for these seats in over a decade. Shah described the massive voter participation as a sign of a changing political atmosphere in the state, calling it a transition from fear to trust. He also thanked voters for their enthusiasm and expressed confidence that the trend would continue in the remaining phases of the 2026 Assembly elections. In the feedback we have gathered, it is clear that the people have decided their future in the very first phase. Nearly 93% voting across multiple districts shows that the current regime is on its way out and BJP is set to take charge. After internal assessments, we are confident of winning more than 110 out of 152 seats, which puts us in a position to form the government after the next phase itself, he added. Highlighting the broader significance, Shah said that a BJP government in West Bengal would be crucial for the state's future development and governance.